Hey guys, we have here an PlayStation using with EOC 27G10. We have the left side here is LG Ultra Gear GP 27850B GP850B. This is using by Xbox, and we have here using by PlayStation PS5. On the right side, this is a 4K monitor. On the left hand, this is a 1440p monitor. So as you can see, this is the comparison here. Fortnite, it's running 120 fps, and here also 120. So small difference. We have here the EPS mode, and if I put this one on EPS mode, turn it on, okay, so both are default EPS mode. They are both the same EPS mode. So as you can see here, the 4K monitor is a little bit darker, and the color of this one is a bit darker, and here is lighter. So 4K monitor is a little bit ahead in terms of color vibrance, I say. So we have here the LG Ultra Gear GP27850B using by Xbox, and this PS5. Both are EPS mode default. So if I keep this one, turn off the EPS mode, okay, bye. See you guys.